Hi students, now in this video, as per promise, I will solve the very important previous year questions on BPD theorem. Okay, so I collected some very important questions from the question paper of previous year question papers. Now let us, without waste of time, start the problems. Okay, so very easy question which is from 2006, right? Examination. Here see question number 1. Okay, so in the given figure DE parallel to BC or BC parallel to D, anything. If AD is equal to 2.5 centimeter, DB is equal to 3 centimeter, and AE is equal to 3.75 centimeter, find AC. Okay, find AC. So here the diagram is given in figure. So the diagram is here like that. It is A, B, C, and this DE. Okay, now let us solve the problem here. Solution. See here, very easy. What here given? DE is parallel to BC. Okay, see, if the D is parallel to BC, then according to the BPD theorem, the sides are in proportional. Okay, in the same ratio. So we write by BPD theorem. Okay, basic proportionality theorem. We can write. I can write here. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Okay, so the values are given, all values. See, check here which values are given. See here, AD value is given, okay, and the DB value is given. AD value right here for simplification, it is 2.5 centimeter given, and then the BD how much given, DB or BD is how much given, 3 centimeter given, and then AE how much given, 3.75 centimeter given, and AC is not given, that is question mark, and we have to find full AC. See here, if you want to find full AC means what we require? We require AE, that is given, plus EC. Okay, we add EC with AE means we get total AC. So actually we have to find AE, okay, EC, then we put the value of EC here means we get total AC length, right? So one by one we using this formula. So right here, AD how much? AD is equal to 2.5. okay, right here AD is equal to 2.5 centimeter and DB is equal to 3 centimeter is equal to, okay, next AE is equal to 3.75 centimeter, and then EC is that is right. Okay, EC. I not take X. Okay, I can take EC directly. Okay, so next cross multiplication. So we get EC is equal to, so I can write here 3 into 3 this side, 3 into 3.75 divided by 2.5, right? So now calculation here, see, 375 make it, so 2 decimal means it is 100. Okay, now into 25 divided by 100, 10, sorry, 1 decimal 10. So now let us simplify it. So we get, see how much it is, as it is first I write 3 into 375 into this 10 upside means it's 10, and divided by it is 100 into 25. Okay, so 10 get cancelled. So we get here, see, 5 5 ja 25, 5 7 35, and 5 5, okay, 35 2 carry 25, 5 5 25. Again we get, see here, 515, how much carry? 2 carry, 5 5 25, right? So how much we get? We get 3 into 15 divided by how much? Divided by 10, correct? So I get here how much? 3 5 15 are 45. Okay, so 45 by 110, so 45 by 10 nothing but what? That is 4.5 centimeter. So therefore we get EC is equal to 4.5 centimeter or CE. Okay, anything EC or C. So now let us see. So therefore we require AC length. So what is AC here? So AC is nothing but the sum of AE and the sum of EC. So A is already given in the question, that is 3 point, okay, that is 3.75 plus 4.5. So how much it is? It is about 4 plus 3 plus 4, that is 7, and 7.5, that is 7.8 point, right? We get 8.25. Okay, 8.25 centimeter. So this is what the required answer, student. We get 8.25, right? So that is 3.7. So 0.075, 1.25. 1.25 plus A7 means it is 8.25 centimeter. So that is what required answer. So please write down this one. Okay, come to the next problem. First write down this one clearly. Okay, very important examination, that is from 2000 CBSE 2006. So that is applicable also for board exams, Karnataka state students. Okay, so please, because the syllabus same, both are based on the NCERT. Okay, both exams are based on the NCERT, but CBSE exams are cancelled, but still the state exams are there, which is also based on the NCERT. So it is very important for state students also. Please write down this one. Now students, take the next question from the board examination 2008. Here see, the question is similar. Okay, so see here, diagram is given, so I can first draw diagram and then I will explain, okay, one by one. So this is ABC is given, so figure is given here, ABC, and this D is a parallel to, okay, this D is parallel to BC, right? Let us see here what is important. So first write the length in this diagram for because of easy to make easy calculation easy. So AD is given, how much it is? 3 centimeter, and this DB how much given? That is 5 centimeter. Now we have to calculate AE. So I can make AE as a X. Okay, AE as a X, and the total length is given. See, AC length is given. Total AC length is given. How much it is? Total AC length. Total AC is 4.8 centimeter. Right? Means if AE is X, means what is about EC? Right? That is total length minus X. Clear? For example, I can take here, see, triangle. Okay, this is AE. Okay, and this is C. Now if AC total length 10, okay, 10, and this is 3 centimeter. So what about that? You have to say that this is 7 centimeter. How? 10 minus 3, like that. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. So like that, for 4.8 minus X is equal to AC length. Okay, 4.8 minus X is equal to AC length. So that is very important, you have to put. Okay, you have to write this one. Okay, this is some of different problem is there, right? So this is directly given, but this length we have to be make like that, X and 4.8 minus X. Now simply you given that again, D is parallel to BC. So given is DE is parallel to BC. Therefore what, if by BPT, okay, by BPT we can write as AD, okay, AD and divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Okay, now simply put the values. What is AD? 3 centimeter, DB is 5 centimeter, and AE is X, and then EC is 4.8 X. Right? Now let us cross multiplication. So 3 into 4.8 minus X is equal to 5X. So see here, 4.8 into 3, make it as a 48. Okay, 48 into 3, how much it is? 24 carry to 12, 14. Okay, so one decimal means it is 14.4. So it is what? 14.4 minus 3x is equal to 5x. So minus 3x that side, nothing but what? How much it is? 14.4 is equal to we get 5x plus 3x. So how much it is? Therefore total 8x is equal to 14.4. Therefore x is equal to 14.4 divided by 8. So let us see how much it is if divide 14.4 minus 14.4 by 8, nothing but we get 1.8 centimeter. Okay, 1.8 centimeter. So this is what the required value of AE. So which is nothing but x. So x is equal to how much it is? X is equal to 1.8 centimeter. Okay, so x nothing but what? AE. So AE is equal to how much? 1.8 centimeter. Right? So this is the required solution. Okay, so please write down this one. Okay students, now take the another very important problem, that is problem number 3. So this is also from 2002 examination, right? So the example number 3, see here in the given figure, okay, in the given figure, in ABCD, okay, in triangle ABC, sorry, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. D is parallel to BC, so that AD is equal to 4x minus 3 centimeter, AE is equal to, that is 8x minus 7 centimeter, and then BD is equal to 3x minus 1 centimeter, and C is equal to 5 minus 3 centimeter. Find the value of x. Okay, it is very simple. So I think you pause the video and first try yourself. Okay, so diagram is given, so first I draw diagram, okay, or yourself draw the diagram yourself. Okay, so that is A, B, C, and this is DE, okay, which is parallel to this side. Okay, so all things are given, so please pause the video and then solve yourself. Okay, then see my solution. Okay, so 1 2 3 start. Okay students, I think you get answer of value of x. Okay, I think you get the value of x. Let us check it is correct or not. Okay, so solution is, see here I can write in diagram first. Okay, so what is about here AD? AD is equal to 4x minus 3, clear, and then AE is equal to 8x minus 7, okay, and BD is equal to 3x minus 1, okay, dash EC or EC is equal to 5x minus 3, right? So now let us put the values one by one. So as per given, DE is parallel to BC by BPT, okay, we can write here AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Right, so now put the values here. What is AD here? AD is equal to 4x minus 3 divided by what is DB? DB is equal to 3x minus 1 is equal to what is AE? A is equal to 8x minus 7 divided by EC is equal to 5x minus 3. Okay, now cross multiplication, carefully observe here, 3 into 5x minus 3 is equal to 8x minus 7 into 3x minus 1. Okay, now multiply one by one. First 4 to this bracket, then minus 3 to this bracket. So first 4 5s are 20x. So 4 minus 3 minus 12x. Okay, next 3, 4 is over. Next 3 minus 3 into plus 5x. Okay, that is plus minus, sorry, minus 15x. So minus plus 9. Okay, minus 3 into minus 3 minus plus 9. So now this side same as first 8 3 24. Oh wait, x 20x square, sorry, 20x square. Now this is 8 into 3 24 x into x square. Now 8 into minus 1 minus 8x. Now 7 into 3 that is minus 21x, because minus 7 plus, so minus 7 3 the 21x, then minus plus 7 1 7. So now make this all term that side. So what happens here? 24x square So 24x square, that side 20 means minus 20x square. Okay, now minus 8x. So 12 that side means it is a plus 12x. Okay, then I can make mistake here. I can add. Okay, I can make addition here. So wait for a minute. I can do 20x square. See here how much it is. 27. Okay, I can make here 27x plus 9. Then 24x square. How much it is? Minus 29x plus 7. Okay, now make it. So 24x square. So minus 20x square, because I can take 20 that side. Okay, then I make 29 minus, then this side means plus 27x, and plus 7 as it is 9 that side means 20, this is minus 9 0. So let us see, 24 minus 20 means nothing but 4x square. Okay, then minus 29 plus 27 means that is minus 2x. Here also 7 minus 2 9 nothing but is minus 2 is equal to 0. Now I think 2 common here. So let us take the 2 common. So what happened here? 2 common means that is 2x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. 2 equal to 0 means we get x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Is that correct? Right. Let us see here, factorization middle, splitting the middle term. See, 2 into minus 1, that is I get minus 2. So choose two numbers such that when we multiply we get minus 2, when we add we get minus 1. So it is the simply, that is minus 2 into 1 plus 1. So 2 into minus 2 into 1 minus 2, minus 2 plus 1 it is minus 1. Correct? So put this value, that is 2x square minus 2x plus x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now make such that the bracket are equal. See here, in this x2 is common, so it is, or I can take x. Okay, I can make 2x is okay, I can make 2x common. So what happened here? It is x minus 1. Correct? Now it is here, I can make here 1 plus common means it is x minus 1 0. Okay, 0. Right? So let us see, bracket are same. So it is like that x minus 1 into, because of x minus 1 is double, so write one time, and 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So let us see, x minus 1 equal to 0 and 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So how much it is? X is equal to 1. Okay, and then x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Correct? So let us see, there are two values of x, which one we choose here. So it is simply, we have checked the values. Okay, put both the values in given equation. So then choose any one. Okay, see here which one we will choose. Right, see here we want which value here. See, I can rub here. We require which value? That is, we require value of x. Okay, value of x. See, take any one because of all containing x. So I can choose AD. So AD is equal to how much it is given? AD is equal to 4x minus 3 given. Okay, if I choose 1 means what happened? And okay, I choose first this one. AD is equal to 4 minus 1 by 2. Okay, see here. Now see here, 2 to 4. So it how much? Minus 2 minus 3. So it is minus 5 centimeter. But we observe that the length is not in minus. Okay, the length is never in minus. So therefore the x value minus 1 by 2 give value minus nothing, but it is impossible. So we observe that length is not in negative. Okay, negative. Therefore x is equal to 1 is a correct answer. So x is equal to 1 is a correct answer. So this is one type of very important question we have to be solve. So here we use two types of operations. One is about BPT theorem, and after that we have to use that is quadratic equation solution. Okay, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 solution. That is splitting of middle terms. Okay, that is very important. So such questions are maybe asked in examination because the two operations are there, and there is a one type of 3 marks question. So you have to be practice this one. Okay, so please write down this one. Okay students, now take the another very important example. Here see, it is some of the different type example. See, we have to prove the equation. Okay, we have to prove this equation. So let us see, but we have these very important terms, that is case 1 and case 2 as it is. Use this parallel and select the triangle, and use this parallel, select the triangle. Now let us start with first one, that is AB is parallel to DE. Okay, now if this is means here DE is parallel to AB, nothing but what? We select triangle ABC. Correct? Now apply BPT theorem. So we get that is CD, okay, CD divided, not take TCF, D, we take D, okay, DE. So CD divided DA is equal to CE divided EB. Equation number 1. Okay, now let us see second equation, that is triangle, that is DBD is parallel to EF. Okay, so we can say triangle, that is if this one taken CF, okay, BD base nothing but we get BCD triangle. Okay, so what happens here? Here CF divided by FD is equal to CE divided by EB. Equation number 2. So compare 1 and 2. See here, compare 1 and 2. See here, CEB both are equal to this one, means these are equal to each other. Okay, CD by DA also equal to CF by FD. Okay, now I can make reciprocal of it. Reciprocal. Okay, I make reciprocal of it. What happened here? So we get here DA. Okay, it is reverse, means it is DA by CD or DC is equal to CF by, sorry, reciprocal means it is FD by CF. Okay, now let us add 1 on both sides. Add plus 1 on, add 1 on both sides. What happened here? See, I can make D, because here see, okay, DA divided by, I can make DC as, okay, because DC is given, so I here I can change it one, that is DC, both are same, but to match exactly I can make DC. So plus 1 is equal to FD divided by, okay, see, it is correct, okay, CF is correct, so as it is, plus 1. Okay, it is no problem if write CD, but have to match, okay, exactly. So let us see here, DC is the LCM, so I get DA plus DC. Here also CF is the LCM, so I get FD plus CF. Okay, now let us see DA plus DC. Okay, DA plus DC, nothing but our total AC. Okay, as per DC. So let us see FD plus CF. How much it is? It is DC. It is DC divided by CF as it is. Now cross multiplication. See here, DC into DC is equal to AC into CF. Correct? Cross multiplication. So we get here DC into DC, DC square, and AC into CF. Correct? See, check. Correct. So DC square, AC into CF, or CF into AT, or raise as it is. DC square is equal to as it is, that is CF into AC. So both are correct. Okay, this is students which is the required solution. So this is actually new type, but same concept, there is no new. Here we must be do the plus 1, that is carefully. Okay, in such questions you have to follow this type rule. So we have to then first write as per select the triangles by using these parallel lines, and then we get a equation, compare. So after that, if there is such equations given, means try this method. Okay, make reciprocal and add one both sides, try this, or sometimes subtract both sides, but in this case we can add both sides. So that is all is because of practicing problem. Okay, so different types of practicing problem you get such questions. Okay, see here in NCERT we not see such problems, but when we observe the question papers we get such problems are there. So it is all about the practice. Okay, how you practice, how many questions, that is very important. So I can say that not stop here only to these videos, again search and again see, watch, or again see, so many books are there, in that so many questions are there. So please try that one. Okay, solve new questions, that is very important for you. You solving your own questions, okay, own searching and own questions, that is very important, and that is more help in studies. Okay, so please write down this, and such questions are maybe there, so please go and search and practice it. Okay, so please write down this one first. Okay students, now take another very important problem here. See, this is another question which is important. So let us solve this one. It is looking maybe difficult, but it's very easy. Let us see what is the logic here. So I can make here what is question. In the given figure, PA, QB and RC are perpendicular to each other, perpendicular to the AC, perpendicular on the side AC, means that PA and QB are parallel to each other and QB is parallel to RC. So I can first select QB is parallel to PA. Then in that condition I can select the angle that is ACP. Okay, ACP. So let us apply here. See, this is very important. Here this side is not useful. So this side is useful here because x value, z value here. So I can take this x. Okay, this side. So that is QB divided by PA is equal to this side. See, I can take this side BC whole AC. That is very important. Whole AC as per the corollary. Okay, so if I take this method means then I take what, top and full. Okay, so put the values. What is QB? QB is equal to Z, QB is equal to Z, and PA is equal to X, and then BC is equal to B, and what is AC? A plus B. This is the equation number 1. Now to take another one, that is second one case. QB is parallel to RC. So in that condition, what is the triangle? This triangle. Okay, that is ACR. Okay, so that is again QB common, QB divided by PA is equal to, here see, here I say here what it is about this are taken. So it is AB. Okay, AB divided by AC, AB divided by AC, right? This is top because I take this AB divided by AC. In this it is top, first B divided by, so now this is A divided by. Let us see QB how much? QB is Z, and then what is PA? PA is equal to X, is equal to what is AB? AB is equal to A, and what is AC? AC is equal to A plus B. Okay, add equation 1 and 2. So what happens here? This side added. So zx by x plus z by x. Okay, z by x plus z by x is equal to this side b by a plus b plus a by a plus b. Okay, now take LCM here. That is what? So z is common here. So I can take z common means 1 by x plus 1 by x. So this equal to, I can make LCM here, that is a plus b. So this is also a plus b. Okay, this is also a plus b. So what happened? A plus b get cancelled. So I get here 1 by x plus 1 by x. Okay, I can oh wait, sorry, here I can mistake. So what is, sorry, it is not PA, it is RC, right? Very sorry. Okay, I can mistake, right? So it is RC, right? So RC y is, okay, so I can make y. Okay, I can, okay, this triangle, so this means I can take RC is base. So now RC is automatically y. So I take y. So here how much it is? It is y. Okay, correct it is y. Now it is 1 by x, 1 by y is equal to 1. So that this side means it is 1 by z. So we get answer 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1 by z. So this is what another solution. So this is, students, these are very important solutions. Okay, very important questions are there. So such questions are maybe asked in examination. So as it is, okay, maybe as it is, or maybe in sometime they take 1 by A, 1 by B and 1 by C, alphabet change, but all are same. Okay, so very important questions, so you have to be practice it. So in the next video we are take about the next concept of BPT, that is next concept of triangles. But these here we can perfectly, okay, with deeply with many problem solving solution on BPT, we complete the BPT concept. Okay, the basic proportionality concept. We start with similar triangles, and then in similar triangle we take first theorem, that is the BPT theorem, their statement, and in once the question I see that there is a state Thales law. So that is your statement is there. So statement, their proof, and then some results, and after by using that result we solve so many examples. I think minimum 15 plus example we solve in this concept. Okay, 10 plus example are solving this concept. So that all very important, that all from NCERT and plus the previous examinations. Okay, so this is enough for you, and if you want more means you can search in internet and solve many problems on this. Okay, search in question paper, different model papers, and solve many problems. Then only you can get an idea how to solve different question different ways. Okay, like that. So I hope this video is very helpful for you, and this channel is very helpful for you in lockdown season. Okay, so hope you like this video. So please click the like button and share this video with your friends and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get an notification of the new videos. So in the next video we meet with a very next important concept. Okay, so I say thank you very much for watching this video. Okay.